How to delete contacts on Galaxy S23, removing individual or multiple contacts. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. On the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen. And in here, open up the Contacts app. Next, to delete a contact or multiple contacts, scroll down the list and touch and hold on the contact that you want to delete. So touch and hold. Once you are in a selection mode, you can select one contact or multiple contacts and then tap on the delete button. Then tap on move to trash. And if you want to delete just one contact, you can simply touch and hold on that one single contact and then tap on delete. And that's it. So that is how you can delete a single or a multiple contacts. Another way to do it is just to tap on that and then tap on edit and then select the contact to delete. You can also open up the contact. In here, tap on more. From the pop-up, tap on delete and then tap on move to trash. So that is another way how you can delete contacts on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now, if you open up the phone application and tap on contacts, in here you'll also be able to delete contacts as well. So it is pretty much the same thing. Thank you for watching.